Good morning, students, and welcome to the art class. Now, are you ready to make the textures? Last time, I have already told you, I've shown you pictures in my video of the textures. Let's begin. Now, for the sky, which texture should we take? Now, I was thinking, since children, when we look at the sky, it's very vast, and except the clouds, any other texture we don't see like that. We can only feel the sky, that it's vast, it's blue, it's clean, the clouds are very soft. So I was thinking, why not let's take the texture of the wind. Now, wind, sometimes when there's a storm or the breeze is very, very fast and it's coming in full swing, that time when the things move with the wind and the breeze, that time we can see they follow a line, and sometimes they move in a line and they twist and twirl and then they fall down. So for the wind or for the breeze, we are going to take this, and this same texture is going to be in my sky. Can you see how I've done? Like this, and just curl up. We'll go very slow, children. Take your time. Don't draw too big. Curl and up. Fill up this space. Curl and up. Sleeping line, curl. Sleeping line and a curl. Just see carefully how I'm doing, and after this you can do it your way. You know, this kind of an activity, this kind of art will help you improve your concentration. If some of you feel that you are studying but after a while you suddenly feel no, you have to get up, you have to go around and play or do something else, then this art, when you do this kind of art, it will improve your focus and concentration, and you will be able to improve your concentration power, which will in turn help you with your studies. And I've taken light blue. Now somewhere, children, I can leave some white space also, because sky is very light in color, it's not dark, and that's the reason I've taken light blue. If you have more colors in the sketch pens, you may use any other blue shade, or you want to do yellow like I've taught you, yellow sky and other topics, you may use. But then we need it in the sun also. Children, will go very slow. We'll do it in parts. Children, you can see I've left more white spaces. That's all right. Don't be in a hurry. Children, you can see the sky is complete. Is it looking nice? I hope you will enjoy doing this. Now, coming to the clouds, I want to change the color of the clouds a bit. So I'm thinking, since the sun is out, I'm going to use a bit of yellow also. Now for the clouds, children, since clouds are soft and fluffy like a cotton, the texture is like a cotton, you can take any I'm taking these scale one. You may add dots also. And you can put the texture only in half cloud. It's not necessary that you go and fill up the entire cloud. Now coming to the sun. Children, sun have spots on it. There are sun spots. So we are going to take dots for the sun. Children, now you can see after doing that orange, I have left some white spaces, and now I'm putting this yellow dots, these yellow dots in the blank spaces. Now for the rays of the sun, you can do the entire ray orange, or you can have one orange and one yellow, or all yellows, as you wish. Children, now for the mountains, I'm going to take the stepped texture. See how I'm making standing line, just go down a little and like this. You can keep it straight also, or if you're finding this a little difficult to make, you can just make semicircular lines, or you can make straight lines. These are like this, children, like this, like you make waves on the seashore, like this. Sleeping line, go down a little and up. Stepped farming, terrace farming is done on the mountains, and there these mountains look like this. You can add another line in between, or you can just leave it. It's a lot. Okay, now those of you who feel that this design is a little difficult, children, then you can go for this design, like I was telling you. Now we, in the same manner, all the mountains. Now children, you can see I have alternated the textures, this one over here and these semicircular lines, and then again the irregular line, and then the semicircular line. So it's your wish how you want to do it. You can use mustard sketch pen also, or a dark brown sketch pen also in between. Now the tree, the texture of the tree trunk, the texture of the bark, you all know how it is. You can make lines and then a spiral shape. You all know this, right? Make slightly curved lines and spiral shapes. Look again, slightly curved lines. You can curve it up again and make this spiral shape. Or do one thing, first make these spiral shapes. They look like eyes, right? And then you can make the lines. Children, now coming to the trees, we can make the veins. You can take the different green sketch pens that you have and do this work. I'm making the veins, right? You all know this. Now children, for the background, we are taking this texture. When you look at trees, you can, and there are lots of trees with lots of leaves on them. How do you see the leaves? From far away. You can see them like this, right? Next time when you go out, or you have a tree in your house, in your garden, or a tree which can be seen from your house, just look at it carefully. When you see those leaves from far away, they look like this. We are doing nothing. We are just making this WWW. But it's not a W. It's a longer W with many curves. Can you see? You can use light green also along with the dark green. Just keep writing this WW, running hand. Children, now for this tree, I've decided to use yellow and orange. So for the leaves, make the veins just like you always do. One standing line in the center and diagonal lines. And then the background. Now what I'm thinking, it is your wish. I want to add some more leaves. You can leave it with that many leaves also and make that design in the background, or you can add more leaves and then fill up your tree with these leaves, big and small. Once you're done, again pick up your orange, make the veins, so leaves are done, and you can see with my yellow sketch pen, you can take red also, any other color. I'm making the same texture. Of the tree foliage. Cover up the background blank spaces. Children, we are only going to do this much. In the next class, I will teach you how to complete the rest of the picture, since this is a time-taking process and I want you to do it slowly and I want you to enjoy it also. Rest we will do next time. See you then. Bye bye.